Hello guys. If your hotel collection scent diffuser is not working properly and you notice weak scent or no output at all, there is a high chance that the diffuser is clogged. This problem usually happens over time when fragrance oil leaves residue inside the nozzle and internal pathways. As this buildup increases, it blocks the airflow and stops the oil from turning into mist. Many users keep changing oil or settings, but the real issue stays inside the diffuser system. Since these diffusers depend on smooth airflow and clean internal parts, even a small blockage can affect performance completely. It is very important to clean and clear the clog properly so the diffuser can start working again. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a hotel collection diffuser clogging problem. Try these. 1. Turn off the hotel collection diffuser and disconnect it from power. 2. Remove the oil bottle from the hotel collection diffuser carefully. 3. Add a small amount of cleaning solution into the hotel collection diffuser bottle. 4. Run the hotel collection diffuser for a short time to clear blockage. 5. Clean the nozzle area of the hotel collection diffuser to remove residue. 6. Reinstall the oil bottle in the hotel collection diffuser and test it again.